What I did in my career was a lot of fun because I covered politics. I followed candidates all over this country, from New Hampshire to California to every small place in America. And in my career, I got to experience that thrill of our democracy and what it means for people to offer themselves in public service and public life and to be able to tell a narrative about it. My greatest, most fun experience was certainly I covered Bill Clinton when he ran for president the first time, from the minute he announced to the day he was inaugurated. And it was a wonderful trip to learn about America and to learn about journalism and to learn that Americans are really, really interested in their politics, even though sometimes we might get a little cynical about it. And to be able to contribute to that and be able to contribute to their knowledge and their enjoyment even of our politics was the thing I found most rewarding about my career.